What's going on? Do a Tuesday trade recap here. I had a pretty good day today. I mean, I would have liked better, but I'll take this, and I'm pretty happy with this. So, coming into the day, I had a bearish bias because of this 1 hour inversion. We also had an SMT at the high. So ES took that high, NQ did not. 1 hour inversion. What was I looking for? Sell side liquidity, and that's what we did. So market opens here, and we immediately get a Judah swing taking out buy side right here. And then from there, I really thought it was going to be high of day, and I was right. So what I did is I took this 30-second here because this was the immediate gap that we could inverse after this very fast Judah swing. Took it, went break even early, got stopped out of break even, as you guys can see. And so that was really frustrating for me, especially once it flipped. And then what I did is I re-entered on this 1 minute right here. Re-entered on this 1 minute. Also went break even at this now. Bang, stopped at break even. And then I was really frustrated. And then it ran all the way. And once it edged this low down here, and at this point we did not have an SMT. And there was just, it was obvious we were going to go lower. I don't want to say I know where the market's going all the time, but it was just obvious. And so once we were climbing back up, I was focused on this 3 minute gap right here. Once this 3 minute gap got held, I'm thinking, okay, our next highest time frame PD array has been mitigated. So that is our retrace to go lower. I'm thinking, okay, what can I look for out of this? So I entered prematurely on this 1 minute inversion because I knew it was going to close. There was like 15 seconds left, and it was like coming down, and I was just like, I have conviction in this. So I took this for about a 1-to-1. I think I actually had my stop above this order block or something. But I took this for like a 1-to-1 here, got out, and obviously generational shorts, but that's not a part of our plan, so I didn't need to take that. So I'm really happy with how I read price today, and I'm happy with how I managed my risk, even though I need to fix my issue where I go break even too fast, because I don't think it's worth getting break even a bunch of times. I think my break even should be more strategic and less common, and that's going to be, if we're entering an unmitigated gap, not necessarily if we take an unprotected lower high. Like, we could take a lower high, and then maybe, unless there's like an SMT and then an inversion against me, maybe that's when I go break even. But apart from that, I just need to trust my original stop loss, because you guys have seen time and time again where if I don't move my stop loss, I would have banked. Like, this is just so common with me. I'm really good at getting precision entries. I just don't want to lose, and that's my problem. So yeah, good day, good learning day, and we'll be back tomorrow with more PA. I don't know what the outcome's going to be of Trump's tweet at 8 p.m. about opening up the strait or whatever that is. But we'll see. So sick that you guys are starting to watch this channel more now. So yeah, just like hold me accountable, and we'll all grow together. And this is the year that everything changes. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back with the next one. I'll probably do a live session tomorrow, but peace.